Welcome students, welcome for the class. In this part, we will learn a very crucial thing that is called FHSS transmitter and receiver block diagram. Look at carefully. This is transmitter and this is receiver block diagram. Receiver, FHSS. This is binary input data like 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. You see, in binary, we have only two logics, either logic high or logic low. Logic high is indicated by 1, logic low is indicated by 0. It's you can say it's like a clock pulse, digital data. This is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. One type of you can say digital clock. It's like a clock pulse, active high and active low. So the signal is sent to MRA FSK. I have already told you the major disadvantage of FHSS receiver is you cannot use MRA PSK, QPSK or PSK directly because of the fact that those are not very much useful. Those are not very much highly useful because different in case of transmission, in case of receiver, different phase angle needs different frequency band. It is not easy to synchronize different phase angle at different frequency in different frequency band at different point of time. It is not easy to synchronize BPSK, QPSK or MRA PSK modulation technique at different frequency for different phase angle for a different period or a different point of time. So this is MRA FSK, frequency shift key, and this is frequency synthesizer. This is PN code generator. PN code means pseudo noise sequence. Here we use BPSK modulation technique. In the tomorrow I will teach you how to generate PN code sequence by using BPSK modulation technique. There we will learn the PN code generation technique, transmitter and receiver, how to generate the PN code sequence, how to receive the PN code sequence. Frequency synthesizer, very important part. It provides frequency hopping. It generates frequency hopping to synthesize the frequency. That's why it is FHSS, frequency hopping, hop spread spectrum. Now this is a mixture. Mixture contains this product modulator and band pass filter. This is balance modulator. You can say balance modulator also. So this is pseudo noise random PN sequence code generator. Frequency synthesizer provides adequate frequency hopping technique, and this is your mixture. Mixture contains this is called product modulator. This is called your band pass filter. Filter do the filtration. It has a center frequency. It has a cutoff center. It has a bandwidth and a cutoff frequency of band pass filter. So each filter has a cutoff frequency and a bandwidth limit. So the effect signal gets generated by using this main binary input data stream. Now this is your transmitter. This is your transmitter. Now we have already transmitted the FHSS signal. In the next step, we'll have to learn how to receive and demodulate the signal to get this original binary data. So this is received signal. This is your your mixture. For mixture contains product modulator or balance modulator along with the band pass filter. This is your frequency synthesizer, provides adequate frequency hopping technique, provides or generates adequate frequency hopping. So this is local PN code generator again. It generates adequate pseudo noise random sequence of data by using BPSK modulation technique. Here we use PSK again. No need to use PSK, QPSK or MRA PSK in the transmitter. This is your MRA FSK detector. This is your estimate of binary data. This is your MRA FSK detector. This is your estimate of binary data that is generated after detection or demodulation. So here it is modulation, here it is demodulation. Always you know, whenever you are generating a data, whenever you are transmitting a data, you need to do modulation. Any type of digital modulation or analog modulation technique you need a mixture, you need the carrier generator. Here PNC port generator acts as a local carrier generator. Mixture needs two input. This is your mixture. Suppose it needs two input. One comes from directly from the input data. One comes from the carrier generator. This is PN port sequence. Here it acts like a carrier generator. This is a random sequence generator, random noise data generator. So this is your FHSS signal generator, and this is your demodulator which receives the data, which receives and demodulate the data, and to generate, which receives and demodulate the data to generate estimate of binary data. This is your frequency synthesizer. Again provides frequency hopping in each cases. This is your PN code generator, pseudo noise random code generator, which acts as a local oscillator carrier, which acts like a local oscillator carrier signal generator. So this is your mixed transmitter. This is your receiver signal. Very easy generation. Remember this block diagram. Remember the function of each block. You will have to in the exam purpose you will have to explain each block along with the block. You have to explain each block along with the main block diagram description. So this is your FHSS transmitter design. This is your receiver design. So remember everything. Remember every of your step. This is your transmitter part for modulation. This is your receiver part for demodulation. I think there will be no question. Here the binary data that we use in the receiver at the receiver part, same binary data will demodulate and received. Will demodulate and receive or retrieve from the modulated signal. This is your FHSS modulated signal. This is your FHSS spectrum modulated signal. That signal is used here. So that signal, from that signal will generate the will retrieve the original binary input data that we have used here as an input, that will generate original binary input data that we have generated, that we have retrieved after demodulation by AMRA FSK detector to demodulate and retrieve the original binary data. So the process is very easy. Always remember, in any of the case, in transmitter or receiver, we don't use PSK, QPSK or AMRA PSK because it needs because it is not possible to synchronize different phase angle of different frequency at different point of time. It is not possible to synchronize different phase angle of PSK, QPSK or AMRA PSK at different frequency at different point of time. It is not easy, or it is not possible. So we use AMRA FSK only. Here also AMRA FSK, here also AMRA FSK. So this is your FHSS transmitter and receiver.